Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Dunay Schmulian, and it is my privilege to invite you to an upcoming seminar scheduled for the 9th of March on Wellness 2022, Doing the Right Thing in the Critical Moment. Many of us will require a whole new skill set or a revised skill set as we enter the third year of COVID-19 responsiveness, working across or within organizations, polishing resumes, teaching in different formats, and the inevitable grant writing. And I think it's important to identify and prioritize wellness and self-care as one of the key ingredients whereby all other things become possible if we set up a good self-care strategy for ourselves. The problem is, and we need to be quite frank about it, is that many of us, as we have this opportunity to return to normal, perhaps didn't have the best self-care and wellness strategy prior to the pandemic breaking out and prior to the lockdowns. So this is perhaps an opportunity as we return to normal to really consider and reconceptualize what that normal needs to look like. The second thing I want to mention is that oftentimes when we talk about wellness, it becomes a spray of information and often quite superficial and also sort of really smelling of a lot of toxic positivity. So in this seminar, we're going to be interactive. There is certainly not going to be how-to tips with some flashy arguments. It really is going to be around the evidence-based and what the contemporary thinking is around self-care. I'll certainly be able to provide you with some references and some peer-reviewed material for you to further examine. And it's going to take the form of an offering, certain strategies, approaches, techniques, and you are able to select from them the ones that are most resonant, the most relevant, and appropriate for where you are. So there'll be some food for thought. It's going to be interactive. I've also provided you with my email address if any of you have specific questions that you would like addressed, knowing that we will look at aspects of self-care. We'll look at the myths and the truths around burnout and the intervention strategies around that, and really just answering any questions that you may have. The idea being that once that session stops and we switch off our cameras, that you actually have the makings of a start of a wellness strategy with common sense, real-time tips that you can implement and be accountable for. I hope to see you on the 9th, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.